Hello everyone, this is the recap and the continuation of our topic here in computer programming, which is the C# operators. So, as we all know, operators is used to perform operation on variables and values here in C#. There are different types of operator: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, and bitwise. So, we've done discussing arithmetic operator. So, ito yung mga operator na ginagamit for basic mathematical operation or the common mathematical operation. The addition, subtraction, multiplication, modulus for getting the remainder, increment, just add by 1, decrement, just minus by 1. And what is assignment operator? Assignment operator are used to assign values to variables. So, basically, ito yung shorthand assignment operators. Andiyan yung equal, plus equal for the shortcut for this line of code, minus equal, times equal, divide equal, and modulo equal. So, assignment operator is the shortcut of an operation that is declared here in C#. So, this is the original form, and then this is the shortcut. So, let me just highlight it. This is the original form, and then this is the shortcut or the shorthand assignment operator. Then what is comparison operators? Comparison operators are used to compare two values. This expression returns a Boolean value which is true or false. So, the Boolean can only return two values which is true or false. So, nandiyan ang equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Then, what is the logical operator? Logical operator are used to determine the logic between the variables. So, here in C#, andito po ang logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. So, tandaan nyo guys, kapag logical AND, ginagamit natin, ang nire-return na value nito ay true if both statement are true. Kapag may nakitang false sa dalawang statement, so, false na agad, ilalabas niya. Kapag naman logical OR, returns true if one of the statement is true. Ibig sabihin, kapag may nakita siyang true, true na agad ilalabas niya. So, it's either isang true lang. Kapag naman, dalawang false yung nakita niya, it will return false. Logical NOT, so basically, negate lang nito or binabaliktad lang nito yung magiging sagot niyo. So, kung true yung naging sagot ng operator, ng isang logical operator, magiging false siya. So, that is the logical NOT. So, let's proceed sa naiwang topic natin, which is the bitwise operator. C# defines several bitwise operator which can be applied to the integer, type, long, short, and the different data types. Bitwise operators works on bits and performs the bit-by-bit operation. So, andyan si AND or ZOR, not 0 fill left, sign right shift, 0 fill right shift. So, let's start sa bitwise AND. So, bitwise AND is a binary operator. It's denoted by the ampersand. The bitwise AND operator compares corresponding bits of two operands. If both bits are 1, it gives 1. It's either of the bits is not 1, it gives 0. So, kapag bitwise AND, tandaan, kapag both bits are 1, saka siya nagbibigay ng 1 or it will bring down 1. Kapag naman, if either of the bits is not 1, so kapag merong agad 0 nakita, it will return 0. So, let's start the sample. So, sir, ano tong nasa taas na to? So, kung naaalala nyo guys, sa CSS, diniscuss natin ang conversion. Now, before nyo ma-solve si bitwise of 12 and 25, kailangan mo muna siyang gawing binary. So, this is the mano-manong way kung hindi tayo gagamit ng programming or ng compiler. So, ang decimal natin ay 12 and 25. So, alamin natin kung paano ba nakuha sa 12. Paano ba siya naging 001100. So, nakuha siya sa pamamagitan nito. So, di ba, I introduced to you yung 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and the 1, 2, 8. So, di ba na-introduce ko yan sa inyo? So, alamin natin muna yung binary ni 12. So, binary ni 12, hanapin natin yung pinakamalapit na number kay 12, si 1. So, 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. So, hanapin natin yung pinakamalapit kay 4. Siyempre, itong si 4. And then, the remaining bits is 0 dahil 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, to check, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So, that is the binary for 12. And then, ano naman yung binary ni 25? So, hanapin natin ang binary ni 25. Pinakamalapit kay 25 is not 32 kasi more than 25, 16. And then, 16 minus 25 is equal to 9. Hanapin natin pinakamalapit kay 9, si 8. And then, 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Hanapin natin pinakamalapit kay 1. Siyempre, si 1. So, the remaining bits is 0. So, let's check. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. So, the decimal value of 11001 is 25. So, ngayon, nakuha na natin yung binary nila. Paano natin malalaman yung bitwise and dito? So, para sa math lang, pag samahin nyo sila, ganitong structure, and after nun, let's perform the operator na AND. So, sabi ko kanina, sa bitwise AND, kapag may nakita siyang 0, 0 na agad yung sagot niya. So, may 0 ba in both this bit? Yes, may 0, 0. May 0, 0. May 0. Yes, may 0. May 0 ba? So, wala. So, it will bring down 1. So, may 0 ba? Yes, meron. So, it will bring down 0. And then, this is your final answer. How it will be transformed in decimal. So, parang ganoon lang din kanina. Hanapin natin yung kay 8. So, ang decimal ni 8 is, pinakamalapit kay 8 is this one. So, 0, 0, 0. So, ibig sabihin, ang bitwise ni 12 and 25 is 8. So, paano natin i-perform yung code niya? Okay, so let's declare two variables. Int x and then si y. So, declare natin sa value ni x and y or num1 or num2 is kaya lang natin to 12 and 35. So, let's add semicolon. And then, let's perform the bitwise operator. So, tawagin natin int result. So, tawagin natin si result is equal to x ampersand. Locate nyo lang si ampersand and si y. So, sir, paano natin malalaman kung tama? Siyempre, gamit tayo ng console.writeLine. Then, let's call our variable result. Okay, sorry. So, loading. And the answer is 8. So, the bitwise of 12 to 25 is 8. Check natin sa ginawa natin kung tama. So, tama. Okay, let's proceed sa bitwise OR. Bitwise OR is a binary operator, operates in two operand. It's denoted by a shift sign. So, the bitwise OR compares corresponding bits of two operand. If either of the bits is 1, it gives 1. If not, it gives 0. Ibig sabihin, if either of the bits is 1, kapag ang isa sa bits ay 1, it gives 1. Kapag naman hindi, it gives 0. So, kapag may nakita siyang 1, 1 agad yung magiging sagot niya. So, same lang naman yung ginamit na decimal. So, gawin na lang natin itong operation. So, meron ba kayong nakitang 1? Yes, may 1. So, it bring down 1. May nakita bang 1? 0? Wala. May nakita bang 1? Yes, meron. May nakitang 1? Yes, meron. May nakitang 1? Yes, meron. It bring down 1. So, the answer is 11101. So, let's convert it to decimal. So, 29 yung sagot niya. Try natin. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 1 through 8. So, nakalagay dito 111001. So, 1111101. Let's add the value. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24 plus 4 is equal to 28 plus, okay, 16 plus 8 is equal to 24 plus 4 is equal to 28 plus 1 is equal to 29. So, the answer is 29. So, in C#, ganun lang din yung gagawin nyo, guys. Palitan nyo lang, testing nyo ngayon, palitan mo siya ng operator. So, saan malolocate itong operator na to? Katabi po ito, guys, ng backspace. Okay, when you are done, let's proceed sa bitwise complement. So, bitwise complement is an array operator, works only on operand. It's denoted by, so, this type of sign. So, saan mo makita tong sign na to? Makikita mo siya sa taas ng tab, katabi ng number 1, which is the Sakubay-Kuwait. So, the bitwise complement operator inverts the bit pattern. It makes every 0 to 1 and every 1 to 0. So, basically, binabaliktad lang nito, guys, yung magiging binary ng decimal mo. Sample, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and the 1 to 8. So, paano ba nag-operate itong si bitwise complement? So, gawin muna natin binary si 35. So, pinakamalapit kay 35 si 32. 35 minus 32 is equal to 3. Pinakamalapit kay 3 si 2. 2 minus 3 is 1. 1. So, 0, 0, 0. So, this is the binary. Tama. Then, let's perform the bitwise complement. So, kay bitwise complement, binabaliktad lang niya yung magiging sagot natin. So, kapag binaliktad siya, magiging 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So, pag transform natin ito into decimal, 1 to 8 plus 64 plus 16 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 220. But, take note, compiler will give 2's complement of the number. 2's complement of 220 is equal to negative 36. So, paano nakuha si negative 36? Ganito lang. Ang gawin nyo, i-minus nyo si 1 to 8, kay 64, kay 16, kay 8, kay 4. So, yung mga naka-1, so di ba ang naka-1 na natin ngayon is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So, nabaliktad na yung binary natin from 1 to 0. So, i-minus nyo lang si 1 to 8, lahat na naka-1. 1, 2, 8, 64, 16, 8, 4, and then the result will be 36, and then you will just negate the value. So, you will just negate 36. So, magiging negative 36. So, if you want to try the program, gawin nyo lang tong image na to. And then, when you are done, let's proceed sa bitwise OR. So, bitwise OR is a binary operator, operates on two operand. It's denoted by this sign. So, this sign operator compares corresponding bits of two operand. If corresponding bits are different, it gives 1. If corresponding bits are the same, it gives 0. So, same decimal value din yung ginamit. Let's just perform the operation. So, ang binary natin is 1100, and then for 25 is 11001. Sabi kay bitwise OR, it will bring down 1 if the corresponding bits are different. Kapag naman magkapareho, it will bring down 0. So, magkapareho ba sila? No. 1. Magkapareho sila? Yes. It bring down 0. Magkapareho? No. 1. Magkapareho silang 1. Bring down 0. And then 1. Because hindi na sila magkapareho. That is bitwise OR. So, please try now the operation. Okay. Nandito na kayo sa medyo last part, signed left shift. So, the signed left shift operator shift a bit patterns to the left by certain number of specified bits, and 0 bits are shifted into the low order positions. So, let's sign shift left itong 212 na value natin. So, for example, 212, sign shift left, 1. Okay, sorry. Sign shift 1. So, let's evaluate it. So, okay, gawin muna nating binary itong si 212. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and then 128. So, mag-stuck na lang tayo sa 128 because the next value is 256, which is higher than 212, so hindi natin siya gagamitin. So, the binary for 212 is, hanapin natin pinakamalapit, 128, 64, and then 16, and then itong si 4. So, when you add 128 plus 64 plus 16 plus 4, it will be equal to 212. So, 212, binary niya is 110100. So, kapag in-applyan siya ng sign shift left, ang mangyayari is mamumove yung value natin or madadagdagan siya ng zeros dito sa dulo. So, this is our binary. 1101010100. Sign shift left by 1, madadagdagan siya ng isang 0. So, nagdagdagan siya ng isang 0 dito. Ano naman yung magiging sagot niya? So, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and then 256. So, let's try to add the value. 256 plus 128 plus 32 plus 8 plus... Okay, yan. So, the answer is 424. So, tama ba? Yes, tama. Paano naman kung ang sabi is sign left shift 0? Ibig sabihin, walang madadagdag. Still the same. Hindi siya nadagdagan. Paano kapag signed left shift 4? So, madadagdagan mo siya ng 4 na 0. So, meron na tayong 1, 2, 3, 4. So, for that, please try it on your own. Then, check kung tama ba yung magiging sagot nyo. Just hit the post button, then try nyo munang i-check. Okay, when you are done, try nyo naman sa C#. So, the answer must be the same. 42, 42, 12, and 3392. Okay, when you are done, let's continue sa signed right shift. So, signed right shift, ganun din yung ginagawa niya, guys. But, dito naman, nag-a-add tayo ng value na 0 sa right side. So, here. For example, 212, same binary yung gagamitin natin. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Signed right shift by 1, nadagdagan lang siya ng another 0 here. So, instead na madagdagan ng value, mababawasan siya ng value. Bakit? Kasi di ba ang itsura ng bits natin is ganito? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 1, 2, 8. And then, kung nadagdagan siya ng 0, mag-move to. So, ano na yung magiging binary niya? So, let me just erase it. Idagdag natin si 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so let me check it first. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So what will be the value? 64 plus 32 is equal to 96 plus 8 is equal to 94 equal to 104 plus 2 is equal to 106. So kapag naman Signed right shift 0, so walang madadagdag. Kapag naman signed right shift 8, so ang nangyari is 0. So paano naging 0 yung sagot? Di ba ito yung binary natin? 0, 0, 1, 0. And then 1, 0, 1, 1. So tinulak siya ng 8 beses. Dinagdagan siya ng 0 na 8 beses. Parang isipin nyo na lang, tinulak siya ng 8 beses. Kung tinulak siya ng 8 beses ng 8 0, so ang mangyayari dyan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your binary pushed by 8, 0. So in this one, push by 1, 0. So here. That's why naging 106. Dito naman, syempre, dahil 0, 0 na yan, the answer is 0. Then, please try this code on your own.